Okay, we have some new products that we are introducing to the PDR, the 2016 version of the PDR. Those of you who were in that meeting yesterday, I mentioned them. Let's go through these here. The first one is BioSlife E. Okay? BioSlife E, with the high quality matcha that we have in here, is so much more than just an energy drink. It is a game-changing product for physiological health. And so when we were thinking about what product should we include in the PDR, BioSlife E was a no-brainer. Amazing product. And the key is this matcha that we have in BioSlife E. Matcha. High quality, proprietary, standardized, effective matcha. We'll talk more about matcha in 2 minutes, or less than that. Okay, last thing, let's talk about matcha. Okay, matcha in our BioSlife E. We here at Unicity take our science very seriously. We take our matcha and our BioSlife E very seriously. So seriously, in fact, that we have taken great steps to learn more about this key ingredient in BioSlife E. So we showed this video at the convention. If you weren't there, have a look here.
Unicity International is thrilled to announce the establishment of the Unicity Matcha Research Institute in Japan. Having the Unicity Matcha Research Institute in Japan is a very exciting time for Unicity. Simply because Japan is the center, it's the mecca for matcha. Matcha has been in Japan for over 1,000 years, and they know everything about matcha as far as how to grow it, how to cultivate it, how to harvest it. What we want to do with this research institute is we want to build off of all of that and establish cutting-edge science to a degree that has never been done in the world. And what that means to the end user, we will continue to bring you high-quality matcha products with the latest science that cannot be found anywhere else in the world. Something that we've already learned is all the little nuances and details that go into making a top quality matcha product. From the fertilizer that's used, to how the plants are maintained, to how they're harvested, to how they're carefully dried, to how they're stone ground under low RPM to maintain bioactive compounds, and how they're rigorously chemically analyzed to make sure that it is of the best quality in the industry. One of the great benefits of having our own matcha fields is the ability to oversee and direct the quality of our matcha at every step along the process, from the plant all the way to the finished material that we incorporate into our Unicity matcha products. There's so much left to be discovered about matcha, and the research conducted here will make our Unicity matcha that much stronger. We here at Unicity Science have the ability to do that. And what that means is that we bring you products that cannot be found anywhere else in the world.